食咗未啊？
唔使下啦，你今日飲咗未啊？
Want to greet people in Cantonese like a true local? Forget passport. Today you will learn the foodie secret code used in Guangdong, Macau, and Hong Kong.
How say hi in Cantonese?
Who's teach you? 你好，早晨. But here's what we actually say. Check out these dishes. Why show you this? Because real Cantonese greeting revolve around food. 食咗未啊？食咗未啊？ It means have you eaten yet? The function just like how are you? Repeat after me. 食咗未啊？食咗未啊？ So tomorrow we can say 早晨啊，食咗早餐未？早晨 it means good morning. 食咗早餐未？ It means have you had breakfast? 早晨啊，食咗早餐未？ Noon and night we can say it. 食咗飯未？食咗飯未？ It means have you eaten yet? 食咗飯未？ Even goodbye is very delicious. You can say 係咁先啦，得閒飲茶。係咁先啦，得閒飲茶。係咁先啦 it means that's all for now. 得閒飲茶 it means let's do 飲茶 last time. No justy. It's very dim sum feast. Yeah. Take a foodie fans cool ladies. Try saying 食咗未啊 to your Cantonese fans or say to the local Cantonese restaurant staff. Bye bye, see you next time.